2020, one of the crappiest years in living memory. Locked in our homes, missing out on the great outdoors. But it's not going to last forever. COVID-19 has struck us a blow, no doubt about it. It's taken away what we've taken for granted, our connection to nature and to each other. But we will rise to the challenge. We've already accomplished the impossible. From learning to fly, to heating our homes using only the wind. We've created machines that can think for us. We've accomplished a lot in our short time here, and many more achievements await us in the future. The journey may be long, but we are a part of nature and we share in its power. It won't be long before we can adventure again. And after all this, I'll definitely have a newfound respect for Mother Nature.